such a nice day out today. We're outside right now. Mrs. Williman's having a snack with the boys, and Mr. Williman's getting some work done. And I thought that we could do a little scavenger hunt. So I'll give you a clue or something to find, and then you can pause the video, go find it, show your family, and then come back. So you're gonna listen, you're gonna pause, you're gonna go look for the thing, then you're gonna show your family. Okay, the first thing I want you to find, it can be inside or outside. You'll have to ask your family where they want you to look. The first thing you can find is something that starts with the sound S. Can you go and find something that starts with the sound S? Go! What did you find? Did anyone find a stick? Did anyone find a snake? Hopefully not. What did you find? Oh, good job. Okay, the next thing I want you to find is something that starts with B, 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 B. Ready? Stop the video, pause the video, and go find something that starts with the sound B, B. Go! What did you find? Ooh, good one. Josiah found a bug. That's what the one he found, right, buddy? Okay. The next thing I want you to find is something that starts with the sound. Something that starts with the sound. There's another letter that makes that same sound, right? So you can find something that starts with a go. What did you find? Did anyone find a kite? That's what we found in our garage. But I'm sure you guys had some other cool items. Okay, the next one you can find is, I want you to find something that starts with the sound G, 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 G. Go! We could not bring our G item, but we found our grill. We found our grill. What did you find? What did you find? Good job. Okay, next I want you to find something that starts with the sound. What sound should we do, Josiah? Let's do a t. Okay, find something that starts with the sound t. Go. What did you find? What did you find that starts with t? Cool. Good job, friends. Okay, we're going to do one more. Now I want you to find something that starts with the sound w. Okay, go. What did you find? We found our water bottle. Okay, friends, thanks for playing. We'll come back and do another scavenger hunt sometime, maybe with the N sounds, okay? Good job, friends. Bye.